Good day, traders. It is Friday, September 10th, 2021, and we got your final cherry bomb of the week. We're looking at Wells Fargo. Wells Fargo has a liquidity rank of 4 out of 4 and an IV rank right now of 39. We do have earnings coming up on October 13th, so this would qualify as an earnings trade because I believe we are looking at, no, this is not an earnings trade because we're going to actually, expiration, I believe, is a little bit before earnings, but we should see the volatility increase as we move towards this. So, I wonder what you think about today's trade, but the only way to know is to actually get into it. Hi everybody, my name is Neil, this is Option Theory. Thank you so much for joining us. On screen, you can see here that we are using thinkorswim's simulated trading platform to get all the learning without any of the real risk, and so that someday you can get your real money involved. Hopefully you'll join us. Like the video if you like it, and subscribe if you want to do more of this with us. All right, you can see we're looking at I almost want to say Whole Foods, but it's Wells Fargo, right? And we can see we have had a big drop recently, and we've hit the bottom band, and we were moving sideways, and we seem to also be at previous support. So are we going to hang here? Doing a short put, that's fine too. Short puts work as long as, even if they go against you, they can work out. So let's see what happens here. Let's pull up the Analyze tab, go to Add Simulated Trade. We're going to be in the October 8th weeklies with 28 days. That's shorter duration than we're normally in this. So we may not stick to the tasty trade mechanics here. All right, so we're looking at selling the 41 put, which is at the 17 delta, pretty close to that tasty trade mechanic of 16 delta. And we're looking at 485 open interest. That's not bad. 6-cent wide bid-ask spread. Not awful. It does seem hard these days to find those super liquid ones that are 1 cent wide. But anyway, you click on the bid here for the 41. We've got one contract. Yours may say 10. Be careful of those defaults. And yeah, so there we are. We've got a 42 cent. We could, what is that, a 6? So we can go up 3 cents. We could say 45 would be the mid price. Let's put that in there. And then go over the risk profile and just make a quick adjustment here to the price slice. And we can see that we're staring at an 83% probability of profit at expiration according to thinkorswim. And for those of you that watch this channel know, I like to compare that to what we see in Tastyworks. So let me bring that up for you here. We got the same trade built here in Tastyworks. We're looking at an 87% probability of profit according to Tastyworks, comparing that to the 83 that we're seeing here in thinkorswim. All right, while we're here, I want to offer an alternative for those of you that don't want to take a potential maximum loss of $4,000 should Whole Foods Wells Fargo go down all the way, go out of business, right? What we could do here is take this short put and make it into a short put vertical. And, you could choose this 39 or you could go out to the 35, but the 35 strike is pretty wide on the bid ask. So here's only a 2 cent wide on this 39. So I'm thinking we buy that. You've defined your risk now instead of making, what was it? No, that's not what I wanted to do. This is the alternative that I came up with. Yeah, that's better liquidity there. So in this case here, we're looking at our maximum loss of 168. A probability of profit of 79, and a P50 of 88. So 79, 88 versus 86, 90. So yeah, the naked put's going to have better probabilities for sure. But you can make similar profit without having that thing in that splinter in your mind of what if I lose $4,000? So which trade do you like? Those are options. Just like yesterday's trade, we gave you 2 different ideas. One defined risk, one undefined. Which one would you like here? All right, go ahead and right-click this trade here. Now that we're back in thinkorswim, choose confirm and send. Just give me a moment here. And there is the confirm and send window. Right, we're looking at putting this one in, as you know, short puts. I like to put them in my IRA. I had to adjust yesterday's trade in AMD to get it to fill because it went in the direction we wanted it to, and so it didn't fill at the price. So I adjusted the strike, and we'll see what happens. I'm still bullish on AMD. Let's go ahead and hit send. Puts that into my working orders. So that pops us into that account up here in the top here. Let's go back to this view so you can see just this window. There's our AMD position. It worked out slightly for us here. Carnival Cruise Line still cruising along. Man, I did not intend for that pun. Sorry about that. There it is. Yep. So we are actually above maximum profit here for, past this short strike here. And yeah, so there it is. Coolness. All right. Big thumbs up to you. You made it to the end of this video. If you think I earned a thumbs up, there is a button. I appreciate it if you hit that. And just so you know, we get these trades from Tasty Trade, and they can come to you in an email too. You just go down to the description, click the link, and sign up for Tasty Trade's email lists. The cherry bombs are the ones that we put on for practice and testing our theories and seeing, can we turn their trade ideas into a profitable system? Yeah, that's what we do. All right. Thanks so much for joining us. Hope someday you'll hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And I look forward to seeing you next week. Have a great weekend, everybody.